Hello, today I'm going to show you a pose breakdown for Sunbird. So think of balancing the cat. I think if you think of that pose, this pose will come to you really quickly and easily, especially if you do the pose already. So Sunbird is great for strengthening our core. It's going to lengthen and stretch the spine, and it's also going to increase our focus and stability. So we're going to start in tabletop. Make sure your base is correct. You want to make sure that your wrists are below your shoulders. Knees are hip width apart. Gaze is down. We want our hands nice and our fingers spread. Before we start, do not do this pose if you have any wrist or knee injuries, because we are going to be putting quite a bit of pressure on our wrists, and then of course we're going to be on our knees for an extended period of time. So anyways, coming to tabletop, tucking our right toes, we're going to extend our right hand forward, extending our left leg. The main part here that you want to really engage is the core. Your gaze is at the top of the mat. Fingers are nice and spread wide. And we're going to take our toes and you're going to pull them forward. Really extend and lengthening through the spine here. Breathing through this pose. You want to hold this pose for at least 5 full breaths. Excellent. Release that, coming back to tabletop. You want to do some cat-cows for the counterpose to release that spine and the lower back. Go ahead and stop back in center, and we're going to do it on the other side. Tucking those left toes, extending that left arm forward, fingers nice and spread wide. Extend your right leg out, pulling those toes forward. Gaze is at the top of the mat, really pulling in through the core, lengthening through the spine. Breathing here, 5 full breaths in and out. Excellent. Release that. Come back to tabletop. Do cat-cows one more time. And stop in tabletop. Excellent job. That's it for Sunbird. All right, leave me a comment below. Let me know if you like this pose or not. And have a great day. Please remember to like, subscribe, and click that notification button.